1 2 1 2 testing. Okay, party people, welcome. Right, party people. Oh, all right. How is everybody doing? Yep. What the hell? Right, so this, oh boy, not here. Delete, delete. All right. Sakosha, how are you? David, Latoya, and Leon, how are you guys? Hope you're doing great. Oh boy. So that was a wicked moving gold yesterday, right? Hi, the judge. Why is this not working? Yep, that's good. I'm fine, also. Thank you. So let's give everybody a couple of minutes to join us, right? Woof, woof. In the meantime, can you guys tell me how are you? Hi Lee, how are you? India in the house? Adam, how are you? Well, I'm glad you're alright. UK, everybody from the UK in the house. South Africa and Chicago in the house. The United Arab Emirates in the house. My name is Orlando, mate. Uganda in the house. Astro, yeah, sure. You go here, and you right click. Well, how the fuck? Right, you right click anywhere, and you just click on add section, and you just rename the section. Pretty cool. Good to hear you are well. Sounds like you're in a great mood. Always in a great mood, maybe. Where is your company headquartered? In the UK, mate. What's with the 20 questions, mate? Montenegro in the house. Shit, you got COVID, Leon? Quarantine yourself. Don't play with this. Wear a mask. Get vaccinated. Algeria in the house. Malaysia in the house. Right. All right. Yeah, so I'm doing great. Hola. I'm doing great. New York City in the house. I was in New York City like a month ago. Pretty cool, man. Have you ever gone to the Red Rooster in where is it? In Harlem? If you haven't, go there and try the, what was it, the soup. It's a sweet potato soup. I think it's fucking amazing. Kenya in the house. Well, South Africa in the house. You just joined the VIP, Timothy. Well, welcome. How to become an expert like you? Yeah, I mean, you have to put on a hard work, and just study, learn, and the learning curve there, it's quite steep. But if you put on the work, you might get there. Also, I am going to start a mentoring program, not soon, but I will. So you might want to join. I've had both jabs, been stuck indoors for 3 weeks. Getting better now, finally. Well, glad to hear that. Djibouti in the house. I live down the block from there. Really, T? Well, that's great. It is amazing, right? The vibes of that restaurant are awesome. Afghanistan in the house. Somalia and UK in the house. Right, so why don't we go ahead and start the session. Yeah, let's start the session. Shall we? Yesterday, that was a crazy moving goal yesterday, right? Let's start by getting. Yes, it's possible, mate. It is possible. Well, big. I'm still holding my gold in my lungs in gold, even though yesterday was a fucking crazy day. Just have a look at this. Prices in gold got hammered down from again the 1830. Lots of tons of sellers, right? So. Yes, I can provide you for signals for Forex trading. Just join the VIP with the link below this video. And if you use the code Orlando50 at the checkout, you get 50% off the first month. That's awesome, mate. That is awesome, Astro. So, I'm still long. Some of you might think that's crazy, but hear me out. Hear me out. My long idea is still pretty much valid, right? And that move was because of ISM manufacturing PMI. Yeah, I can check the Euro GBP, but that's like I always say, that's it is so choppy. Why would you want to trade this? Yeah, it's so choppy. That's my opinion, mate. It's at support, yeah, like I said yesterday, but super choppy. There's more and better markets, right? You don't get any code, bro. Use the code. Just type it. Type Orlando50 at the checkout, and you get 50% off. Right. So hear me out about this fucking gold long, right? Yeah, yesterday we got hammered the fuck down from the highs. Again, 1840. But hear me out. I am going to decide either to close it or to let them run after today's daily close. Why? Because we are getting some very insane bullishness out of the lower levels, the 18 level, the 1800 level. A ton of buy orders here are pushing price up, and I'm looking at this forward candle. How many signals per day? Around on average 2 signals per day. Some days we don't even send signals, mate, because we only trade the best setups. That's why we have a winning, a very good equity curve. So turning back to gold, it depends. Actually, it will depend on this 4-hour close and the next 4-hour. Because this is looking like a fake out, right? Very, very much like a fakey. But on the hourly, here you go. On the hourly, right? We are below this very, very heavy level, which is the point of control, right, of this entire historic price action. So it might be very plausible that sellers are going to be stepping in here at the 1807. I'm sorry, the 1807, right? And we get just a retest for further continuation. Now, I'm monitoring very closely this because if I don't see a break above and price stabilizing above this level, such as this, right? I'm going to close my gold longs, the rest of my gold longs around break even, which is a shame, right? Because yesterday I was up a ton of money. But that's the game that I play, the long term. Is earning money from forex trading resonant with our ecosystem? Or how can it attribute to the nature? Yeah, mate, it is. And are you trading tomorrow with the non-farm payroll news? Yep, I am. I am that I am. Of course I am. Yeah, of course that I am. So that's my thoughts on gold, right? Silver. Silver, same thing. Silver got hammered down, right? Silver looks a little more sketchy because of this daily candle. Looks like a fakey out of the 2600 level. No, the 26 level, I'm sorry. But again, price stabilizing here around the weekly pivot, right? Around the previous levels. These ones right here. So I do have a very small position here in silver, just a starter position. South Africa. Sí. Aquí yo soy yo. English is my second language. Spanish is my first language, mate. Y sí están hablando español en el fondo. Yep, it is an active trading floor, my mate. Right. Make donation to Greenpeace. Yeah. I would choose a better non-profit to donate money to than Greenpeace. But yeah, I mean, if that's what rocks your boat. Right, so silver still at the bottom of that range, depending on how this 4-hour closes. Right here. I will hold on to those longs or not. It depends on a lot of stuff. Tomorrow is non-farm payrolls. Right, let's have a look how it's forecasted that this is Canadian non-farm payrolls, U.S. non-farm payrolls. It's forecasted that 870,000 jobs are going to be added to the economy. Again, non-farm payrolls is not the big market mover that it used to be. And because I swing trade, these market moves really are just noise on a daily basis to me. But having said that, because of how gold is trading at the moment, I am going to be very careful with that event tomorrow. Right. I don't have a watch list for tomorrow yet. I do my watch list for tomorrow late on the day. The gold move up and then down again. Do you think they were related to the economic calendars? Yeah, I think so. We had the ISM non-manufacturing PMIs, right? Or manufacturing PMI. No, ISM services PMI that really beat expectations. That is when the US dollar started to rally. We had that big rally on the USD. Pretty plausible that was the event that moved the markets, but gold really reacted to that, and of course because that zone, those highs were really thick. That was the third time I'm sorry, sellers jumped in at those highs at the 1830. So it's a combination of things, right? Those forex trading cost inflations. What? We earn money without producing anything. Do you know? Do you understand that this is a zero sum game, right? Yeah, I mean, we don't create money out of thin air. This is a zero sum game. For us to make money, another player in the market has to lose money. So I don't know what you're saying there. You should really read about forex trading before starting to. I mean, before deciding to, or trading overall before deciding to jump into this thing that we do. So I'm still short. Personally, I'm still short UK oil or Brent oil from yesterday, but you know these shorts are looking sketchier, sketchier, sketchier. Wow, I'm a little tired. So they're looking a little sketchier, so I've moved my stops to break even now. On the hourly, we are still pretty much on a very structured move to the downside, right? If you notice here, we are retesting those previous broken lows. This is a very good sign of further downside continuation. So I took my shorts here at this level. I am at break even now, right here. I am at break even. And I expect further continuation to at least, I'm sorry, these lows around this 68.57, whilst looking at a possible, hold on, whilst looking at a possible flag formation. Pretty neat flags that have been printed here every time, right? So it's a very structured move to the downside. Actually, no, my shorts are, I took my shorts here at this break. Now they're at break even. So yeah, I'm up pretty hefty. Still looking for more downside in crude oil. So we are going to wait and see that. Now today was kind of a slow day. Yeah, one more question. Go ahead, mate. Ask anything you want. I'm here for that. You mentioned possible ending your gold longs tomorrow. Would you go as far as ending a long trading gold that is currently in a loss? Yep. Yes. Yes. I mean, if I decide to close my longs in gold, I will send a signal to close those long golds for the swing trading group. And because with the swing trading group, we are at a small loss at the moment. But yeah, definitely. But you know, I'm still looking for that. Right, Ethereum, big push to the upside from a couple of days ago. When I told you that I got from another longs here. I actually just this is the swing trade that we are currently. I don't know, Smith. No one knows what. I mean, that those kinds of questions, you know, are wicked to me. Why? Because no one knows what's going to happen. No one knows future auction in the markets. Who the fuck knows what gold is going to do today? You know, you just have to wait and see what really happens. Yeah, I mean, just monitor them. You know, monitor your buy positions, Smith or Suresh. You know, and trade your plan and trust your process. That's all I can say. I don't know if it's going to move up or not. Who knows? That's not how this play. How this game is played, right? I already answered your question, Sankov. We earn money in forex trading without producing anything. Is it worth? Hi Kingsley, how are you? I mean, I don't understand what you're saying. All right, so this is the swing trade, the VIP swing trading long position in Ethereum. I just sent. I'll show you. I just sent this alert to the VIP swing trading team to delete targets in Ethereum longs because we already took half off, right? So we are going to ride this to all-time highs, actually. We are going to try to ride it, but we are going to be taking some more profits around, and if it breaks, right, around the 32.20 level or so, etc. So currently we are up. Currently we are up about 35%. That's awesome, right? On that trade. I buy, sell GBP. What is buy, sell? Did you buy or did you say? Or sell? So Ethereum longs. Yeah, I mean, Ethereum is pretty strong. There's something to do here, but wait, Bitcoin. If you are in Bitcoin trading, I could see a possible flag formation here in Bitcoin. Now, I'm not gonna trade this breakout in Bitcoin because I'm already very long in Ethereum. It would be like doubling up. Yeah, it would be like doubling up, right, in cryptos. And I don't do that, right? So here is here is the flag that I'm talking about, right? Yeah, it's pretty obvious that we are in a flag formation. So the real breakout here level would be the 4,000 level. So a break of these highs would trigger further upside in Bitcoin. If you are looking into that, that should be a good, yeah, a good entry. Right, you are in a sell on the pound yen. Now, let's have a look. Yeah, this looks strong, man. 151.03, 151.03, 151.03, 151.03. Price has in 151.03. When did you sell this? All the way back here? 151.03. Yeah, I mean, I don't know I don't know your process, your setup, so this looks awful to me. Aussie cash, sure, why not? Yeah, Aussie cat is looking extremely and utterly. Um, let's have a look at the daily. Let's have a look at the daily. Right, so let's have a look at some levels. So the Aussie cat on the daily looks bearish, right? Because we're trading below that very important 93 level, 0.93 level. Cool. So that's the daily. The 4-hour, the hourly. You know, I don't know what to tell you. This market sucks at the moment. Yeah, I don't see anything good at all. Now on the hourly, again, same level, around the 93 level. We are trading below those levels, so anything below those levels to me is a sell. Even though we are seeing some bullishness here, this could be a very short-lived bullish move. If we break with this neckline around the 92, right, should bring price down on this what seems to be a head and shoulders. No, I don't do a Euro NZD. I don't trade those markets, man. Let's have a look at our open positions. But I'll do the Euro NZD for you, don't worry. Yeah, I'll do it. Hold on. Market watch. No. Not Big Gator. Alright. Fuck. This is the one. Okay, cool. So, This is the VIP signals account. Right now, all of our positions are running in profits. We have 3 positions open. The New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, right? We already closed half, 75% off on that position, and we are going to try to swing trade this with the VIPs. We have the Aussie yen. The Aussie yen is barely in profits at the moment, just about 16, 17 pips, but looking very good. And the US dollar, Canadian dollar is also in profits. We are going to be lowering our stop losses a little bit to about these highs. Yeah, the breakout of this flag, right? Do not chase those trades. Yeah, definitely. The MT4, blank, blank. Right. So the US dollar CAD, right? We are retracing back to the previous broken lows, but the trade's still looking very good. I mean, all positions are in profit at the moment. So Euro New Zealand dollar. All right, let's have a look at this. I don't even have it on my watch list, if you notice. Yeah, I hate this market. Look at this choppy mess on the daily. I mean, I would never put money at risk here. But, I mean, if you do, I'll analyze it for you, mate. So on the 4-hour, I see nothing. I see nothing but choppy mess. There's super non-directional moves here. I don't trade ranges. You know, to me, that's... it is sometimes, I mean, it could be profitable in some markets, but why would you put money at risk in in such a choppy mess if you can find a directional move in other markets, right? On the hourly, there was that you could have sold here at the break of yesterday's low, and I'm talking about 3 days ago, right? Today, the move is already gone. Yeah, there was a very nice setup here to sell. You could have made, of course, everybody is a hindsight hero, right? But yeah, you could have made a good 3R on this trade. But again, there's nothing made here. Nothing at all. CAD yen looks okay to you. Am I missing something? Let's have a look at the CAD yen. Oh boy. Wow, we already made money here. Apparently. Because I do have this. Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, the CAD yen. Yeah, I have yeah, I do have a Euro USD open position. Welcome. You are welcome. But the swing trade VAPs are not taken with that account. The swing trades are taken with another account, but yeah, I do have a ton of Euro USD longs. I showed them to you last time, mate. Do you think I send signals and not take them myself? Why would I, if I'm really profitable? I'm just sharing a couple of my profitability with you. Cool. Right, so this is what? The Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. All right. Yeah, I'll do the CAD yen, the Aussie yen, and then the US dollar yen. Well, see, if I'm doing all the yens, why don't we look at the yen? Right, so the yen to me is looking very bearish. That's a good thing, right? Because, yeah, because, well, we rejected these highs, right? This is the FXCM Japanese yen basket. Pretty much like the DXY, right? So let's have a look at the daily. The daily is looking amazing to me, right? Yep, the daily is looking amazing, and I'm gonna show you why. Right here. Right, so the reason that it's looking amazing to me is because I'm looking right here at a possible breakout of these lows, right? So if I'm looking at a possible breakout of these lows on the yen, we are going to prepare ourselves for this possible move to the downside by putting some buy stops on some, well, I have to look for the best Japanese yen currency pair or the market to trade that short, possible short position, right? Plausible is not going to be in the US dollar Japanese yen because of tomorrow non-farm payrolls, right? But definitely looking for shorts here on the US dollar Japanese yen on this breakout. The 4-hour chart, again, we are still waiting for the breakout of last week's lows and the weeks before, right? So we have a heavy area right here of buyers. Buyers have been jumping in right here and right here. The thing about this is that also I'm looking on the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, we have a kind of a clean move to the upside. So this also might be just a continuation pattern to the upside, right? But this fakey right here tells me otherwise. Again, we don't know what's going to happen when